Want to build trust that doesn't just happen overnight but grows stronger every single day? The secret lies in founder led content and, more importantly, building systems around it that compounds trust over time. You see, as a founder, your story, your passion, and your vision are unique. No marketing agency, no ad campaign can replicate the authenticity that comes from hearing directly from you. When you share your lessons, your struggles, your wins, people connect with that on a deeper level. But here's the thing most founders miss: it's not about posting random content now and then. Trust builds when you are consistent, deliberate, and strategic. Trust compounds like an interest in a bank account. Every piece of content is like a deposit. So, how do you build a system? Start by defining one core message. What is that one thing you want your audience to remember about you? Maybe it's your commitment to solving a problem or your unique approach. Next, pick a realistic schedule. Could be one video a week or two social posts. The key is consistency because showing up regularly creates familiarity and familiarity breeds trust. But don't just broadcast, engage. Reply to comments, ask questions, encourage your audience to share their thoughts. This interaction creates a community feeling, making people feel seen and heard. For example, I personally share weekly updates. Sometimes it's personal updates, sometimes those are professional updates. Sometimes I ask for recommendations, or sometimes I just put a poll. The content I post is not polished always, it's real. That kind of transparency builds trust like nothing else. And here's the bonus: systems reduce stress. You don't have to scramble for content ideas last minute. You just have to have a rhythm and a flow. Remember, people don't just buy products or services, they buy the person behind them. Your authenticity is your greatest asset. If you want me to share the exact tools and templates I use to keep my content consistent and impactful, comment below. And if this resonated with you, hit like and subscribe for more founder mindset strategies. Keep building trust and keep growing.